In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cursor rules and enable YOLO mode for automated testing. We'll start by teaching Cursor your project style, conventions, and file structure using the /generate cursor rules command in chat. Open Cursor, go to the chat where you normally collaborate with the AI, and type /generate cursor rules. In the prompt that opens, describe how your code base is organized and how you want the AI to write and place code. Be explicit. For example, explain that UI components live in a components directory, shared utilities go under utils, and authentication logic belongs in features whilst auth. Note the naming conventions you prefer, the formatting standards you follow, and any architectural constraints like where to place types, hooks, or services. Keep it clear, concise, and free of secrets. Next, add a couple of high-leverage rules. Include a keep learning rule that tells Cursor to recognize new patterns as they emerge in your codebase and fold them into future suggestions. This helps the AI adapt as your project grows. Then add an organize files rule that guides file placement and refactors toward your intended structure. This rule should spell out where new files go, how to group related code, and when to consolidate or split modules. If you found a helpful Medium article or a short YouTube video that captures your standards, briefly summarize the key takeaways in the rules so the AI can follow them without links. When your rules look good, generate them. Cursor will store these as guidance for future chats, so each suggestion aligns with your project style from the start. You can iterate anytime by regenerating or appending new rules as your conventions evolve. Now let's enable YOLO mode to streamline testing and error fixing. Open Cursor, go to Settings, and turn on YOLO mode. Configure it with the commands your project relies on for correctness. Common choices include npm test to run unit tests, npm run build to validate production builds, and tsc to type check with TypeScript. Choose the commands that reflect your real-world checks. YOLO mode will automatically run them when the AI proposes changes, then use the output to find and fix issues before you review the code. A few tips as you wrap up: keep your rules readable and versioned alongside your repo notes, avoid including any private tokens or credentials, and refine the command list if your pipeline changes. With well-written rules and YOLO mode active, you'll get consistent code, better file organization, and faster, more reliable iterations.